Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Forcestop on the application of Duolingo. You will go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Duolingo and you will enter. Then you will click on Forcestop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on Clear Cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Duolingo app. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.